I'm telling you now, bro, if it's naturally aspirated, I don't know how to drive it.
You know what?
But I do get up to a lot behind the scenes, like even just going to pick parts up and stuff like that. Like, yeah, it's something that's in the pipeline, definitely.
You should, man. You should. Like, it's good. It's fun. I like that more than like the main channel, because I get to like in the main one. I don't know if you guys know, but you gotta like do a lot of work. And yeah, you gave me like good advice, and it's working. It's helped me so much, man.
No, I appreciate that. Mate, we've all been helped. I speak to Jack McNeil a lot. Shout out to Jack.
No way.
He's very, very clued up on YouTube. He's helped me a lot in advising me to do this and that, and I'm just passing on as long as I get up every morning, put the graft in, and I'm having fun. Yeah. Whatever comes of that is a bonus. That is seriously loud, isn't it?
It is, man. It's loud.
Is that full straight pipe?
Nah, yeah, full straight pipe. Yeah. Like no cats, no resonators, nothing. Just straight. Like I said, I'm not fully like giving it because it's a brand new clutch.
Yeah, of course.
And 2 days ago, I went in clutch, £1,200, man.
Was it?
Yeah. Some people like it, some people don't. Like,
that's what I said. Oh, loud, isn't it?
If we get
it sounds like a C63.
It does, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I don't want to drive.
What horsepower are these then?
So they're around 340 stock, but this is pushing around 400. I'll do it, you.
That is so loud.
I won't kill you, Jesse.
Yeah, mate, that is so loud, isn't it?
It'd be my honour for you to drive it, man. Honestly.
Mate, if you wanted to drive it, I'll drive it. I don't know where I'm going. Like.
Go ahead, man. Jump in.
Carpet?
Huh?
Not got a red carpet around?
Yeah.
I'm only joking.
Go on. got me baffled then, you did.
First time someone has opened the door for me.
Honestly, genuinely, yeah. No, I really want you to succeed. Like, as in that supercar. You're gonna get it, and I know you can.
Mate, I'm not giving up until I get that supercar. I'm not giving up.
That's what I want to hear.
What's the clutch like? Is it uprated or stock?
So
that's okay.
So the flywheel's RS4. The clutch pedal is it's not an RS4, but it's like the RS4.
Got you. Okay.
Because the RS4 we're talking £3,000 for that one.
Is that what it is?
Yeah, like mental. It's not amazing. Yeah, get used to it. Yeah. Oh.
How far up?
Hey, you're a natural, you are. You know?
Hey, I'm a Honda driver. He's naturally aspirated. I know what I'm doing.
Yeah. Just carry on going, man. Do U-turn down there. It's a long stretch there. Yeah. Sorry, no airbag. I got it. I just got to delete the code.
Hopefully, it doesn't matter.
Yeah. You still got your hand there, innit?
I want to turbo it, but I also don't, because it'll just make it unusable. It'll make it too much. Chucking 500 horsepower at it, it's just going to make it unusable.
Yeah, 100%.
It's like 240 horsepower now, or give or take.
Yeah.
And it's fun. You can use it all, and it keeps up with cars around.
Yeah, 100%.
Like 320, 350 horsepower, depending on the weight. So yeah, I think I can use all the power. Yeah. And it keeps up with cars a lot quicker. So I'll keep it like that.
Go on. Give it. Oh, keep going. Wait, you're a driver, man.
I'm telling you now, bro, if it's naturally aspirated, I don't know how to drive it.
I'm coming to you. I'm doing a round 2, but fully give it though.
Yeah, let's do it. I've got some nice back roads near me as well.
Yeah, mate, you're a driver.
It does sound cool, doesn't it?
Yeah. I bet. I would like to know. I also wanted you to give your insight. What do you think of the car?
Do you know what? It actually feels quite involving, don't it?
Yes.
Like it's more of a driver's car than I thought it would be. I thought these big engines kind of, mate, because this is probably one of the biggest engines I've driven, you know?
Really?
Like, yeah. I haven't driven that many cars.
Jeez. Follow him. Or you can go back around again, or you can go back to the car.
Spin it up there where we
went. Go ahead.
I thought the big engined kind of German cars would be very distant from the driver, but you know what? Doing that, the downshifting, is quite rewarding, isn't it?
Even I couldn't do the way you just did it then. Like, I promise you. Yeah, man, like pro. Did you heel toe that, or did
no,
you?
That wasn't a heeling toe. I weren't going to risk your clutch trying to heel toe it for the first time.
But that was skill, man. I never knew that you can like.
Mate, hey. I'd say I'm okay in my Honda.
Mad. But yeah, it's the first time driving a big engine car, man.
Yeah, this is probably one of the biggest, if I'm honest.
Mad. Well, the next car will be big then. They must.
That is so Asbo.
From now on, every car that I get is compulsory. Like Jesse drives it. You're a V8 man, literally.
Mate, I do like a big engine, I can't lie. I'll be honest, I get bored of things quick.
Yeah.
The Civic is the only thing I've not got bored of.
Mad.
So I just think, right, I'll keep that away for when I want to use it. And everything in between.
That's what I was saying. Like, I honestly missed that car. Like, I haven't seen it for a while now. If you did get a second channel, or if you do upload it, mate, the Honda fans go mental, and I'm one of them.
That's another thing for a second channel, is the Honda stuff.
Do it, man.
But yeah,
do it, man. If you get time, because I know YouTube is.
Yeah, that's it, innit? That's the time.
Get the supercar first, maybe.
yeah, definitely.
But
definitely.
Right, that's it, man. If you want to say anything, man, anything.
Mate, shout out to
Nah, man, Jesse, man. Told you, watch every car he's driving. We're gonna learn. He's gonna send it. Jump out.
Appreciate it, bro.
No, it's all good, man. It's all good.
Turn it off, yeah.
Yeah, turn it off, man.